So stand.
Great God, creator of heaven and earth, we adore you for all the works of your hands. Vested in us a divine wisdom, so that we may be able to discern what is right, good, and just. Please fill our hearts with courage and strength as we desire to do good deeds, speak good words, and think good thoughts. Shower us with your grace so we may rise to be a light in this world and a witness to your goodness and love. Protect our hearts and minds from growing weary and hold us steady in the palm of your hands. Continue to help us in seeking to love you more and serve you better with every passing day. Show us how to serve as you serve, to give as you give, and to love as you love. We ask all these things in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Attendance. May I ask our class monitor, Ayan. Is there an absent today?
No one is absent.
Okay, very good. Palakpakan naman yung mga sarili nyo. Okay, so before we proceed with our lesson, let me remind you that the assigned cleaners always clean first the room before we start our lesson. Who are the assigned cleaners today? Naglinis po ba? Okay, very good. And another thing, before we start with our lesson, may I just ask you to participate in the discussion. Don't hesitate to answer, especially if you know the answer. What are you going to do?
Raise your hand.
Okay, very good. All you have to do is to raise your hands. Okay. So let us have first the review of the lesson. Yeah? So last time, we tackled about the different kitchen utensils and their uses. Okay. So what are these?
Nice.
Okay, what is the use of knives or knife? Anyone? Ashley?
It is used for binding or cutting.
Yes, very good. Next? What about the next one? Oh, if you know the answer, all you have to do is to raise your hand. Cha!
It is used for removing the outside skin of fruits and vegetables.
Okay, very good. Next. What about the next one? Okay. Next. Spoon. What about spoon? Rihanna. Okay, use for tasting food. The next one. What about tongue? Haley. Again. Okay, use for getting the food. What about ladle and turner? What is the difference between a ladle and a turner? Yes. Okay. Next. Is that Cara J?
No.
How do we pronounce this one?
Alright.
Okay, what is the use of karahay? Okay, used for frying purposes. And the last one is, what about the last one, Jax? Okay, used for boiling and cooking. Okay, any questions with regards to our lesson? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so let us have here, I have some pictures here. And I want to ask you, before going to school, what are your preparations? What are the things that you do before coming into school? Anyone? Yes. Eating breakfast. What else? Before you go to school, The moment you wake up. Yes. Taking a bath. What else?
Brushing your teeth.
Brushing your teeth.
Preparing my uniform.
Preparing your things or your uniform. Stand up to be recognized. Pag nagising, nag-pray. Okay, very good. No? Para tangnulaan niyo yung mga pictures na ipapakita ko. Okay, so the first picture is, what is this? Sino yung gumagawa nito? The moment you wake up, hindi ka pa talaga tumatayo sa bed, pero ginagawa mo na to. Of course, di ba? Why? Bakit? Bakit po? Princess? Okay, very good guidance and protection. You have to be thankful because you are blessed. The moment you wake up, blessed ka na kasi buhay ka. Diba? You're still alive. Pag-gising mo, buhay ka pa. Diba? What about the next one? What about this one? Athena, nearsighted ka ba, anak? Hindi? Okay lang sa car? Kung hindi, may available seat tayo dito. If you want to transfer. Okay naman. Kaya naman. Sa ganun. Okay. What about this one? Sinong gumagawa nito? Ay, ako hindi. Ay, ako hindi. Lahat? Okay, very good. Lahat, of course. And then this one, what about this one? Lahat naligo? Sigurado? Sometimes parang feeling ko hindi. Minsan kasi, there are girls na especially may menstrual period, parang pinagawa lang ng mga matatanda naman yung daw kapag meron. Ginagawa hindi. Hindi, naliligo pa rin. Kanya na talaga ang Gen Z ngayon. Naliligo. Siyempre naman, ang init-init kaya, di ba? Okay, what about this one? Ay, marami dito yung hindi. Feeling ko. Okay. Yung totoo be honest. O, sige. Sino yung gumagawa nito? O, di ba? Sa 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 na lang. Kanina lahat nakakasama niya. Guilty, no? Hindi nakakain ng breakfast. Why? Why? Oh, just raise your hand if you want to answer. O, say another hand. Your hand naman po. Yes.
Out of time na.
Okay, out of time. Ano ka? Yung reason. Bakit? Walang pambili? Pambili ng breakfast? Walang pambili ng breakfast. Wala kang baon. Yung baka yung reason. Pwede walang pambili. Akala ko wala kang baon. Okay, so pwede daw na baka wala silang pambili. Kahit sa bahay lang, di ba, before you go to school, di ba, the things that you need to prepare. Kahit po prito ko lang mo, ano ko yung hangin dyan. It's enough na. Para makapag-breakfast ka. Okay. What about this one? Walang gumagawa nito. Meron ba? What is this one? Stretching. Sino gumagawa? Wala din. Guilty tayong lahat. Kaya tumataba. Okay. And the next one? Kanina meron nag-mention dito, diba? Preparing things. Si Athena. Okay. Ginagawa, hindi? Sometimes hindi. Bakit? Kasi pagdating dito, ma'am, nakalimutan ko po yung notebook ko. Diba? Guilty? Guilty? Meron, diba? So ahead of time, you have to prepare your things na para hindi kayo na late at hindi nyo nakakalimutan. That's why you have to prepare before you go to school. Okay. And the last one. What is this? Going to school. Anong ginagawa niya? Okay, it's a simple exercise na napaka-importante. Meron pa bang gumagawa? Yung especially kung malapit lang sa school, meron pa? Sino? Ayun, si Ayen. Ayun, si Jean. No? So mostly, naka-service na ng rakal. So So, hindi na siya masyadong na-apply. Pero at least meron pa din. Eh? As much as possible, kung hindi rin naman kayo mag-relate, dapat gawin siya as an exercise. Okay? What have you noticed, class? Dun sa mga sinabi ko, ano kayang related na reason bakit pinakita ni Ma'am itong mga to sa next lesson na? What do you think? What do you think? If you want to answer, just raise your hand. Huwag ganyan. Ganyan. Yes. Stand up. Kasama siya sa bagong lesson. Tingnan natin kung kasama siya sa bagong lesson. Okay, so our next lesson is all about handworks in food preparation. So, paano kaya siya naging connected sa mga pictures na pinakita ko at the same time, dun sa mga tinanong ko sa inyo before you go to school? Yes, Shireen? Ano po? Louder po. Para magka-energy, aside from that, nabanggit ko na siya. Just raise your hand. Any idea? Yes, I am.
It's all about preparation.
Yes, very good. From the word itself, preparation. Before you go to school, you have to prepare. Just like in cooking. Okay? Before you cook, you have to prepare things bago ka makaluto. Hindi pwedeng nagluto ka na lang ng basta-basta. That's why we have this, what we call handworks in food preparation. What about handworks? Have you heard the word handworks? What does it mean? Sure. Sure. Handworks. It is simply, okay, nagtatrabaho ka, ginagamit with your hands. Okay, good. So we're gonna start first. This one, will you read? Oh, just raise your hand if you want to read. Check.
Dividing food into 5 pieces.
Okay, dividing food into 5 pieces. As you can see, meron tayong sample dito. What can you say about the picture? What can you say about the picture? Sabi natin means dividing food into 5 pieces. Just raise your hand. Don't be shy. Don't hesitate to answer. If you know the answer, hindi natin malalaman kung dyan sa upuan nyo lang siya sasabihin. Dali. Stand to be recognized. Graded verification yan. Nakikita na, oh. Means dividing food into 5 pieces. What does it mean? Anyone? Yes, Jack. Okay, paano maging manifest? Such an example. Ano yung minimins natin dito? Garlic. Garlic. Like for example, kapag magsosote ka, di ba? Yung magigisa ka, magluluto ka. You have to have this handwork first na i-mince mo muna yung garlic. Aside from garlic, ano pa yung minimins? Aside from garlic, ano pa yung minimins? Onion, di ba? Ano pa? Yes, pepper. For instance, ginger. Okay, very good. Potato. Minimins din daw ang potato. Yes po, Ashley.
Carrots.
Carrots. Okay. So, those are the things or ingredients that we are applying this handwork there, which is mixed. Again, will you read?
Dividing food into 5 pieces.
Okay, next. What about this one? What about the next one? So, sa akin po. Pero hindi pa natawa. Okay, divided na natin food into desired shape. Just what you can see in this picture. Anong ginagawa niya? Ini-slice niya yung meat into when we say desired shape, what does it mean? Okay. Just raise your hand. Same hands na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lumaya ka sa dyan. Okay. Yes, Ses? Princess? Okay, very good. It's up to you. Kaya nga, depende yan dun sa desired shape na gusto mo. Okay, what about the next one? Jillian? Okay, nice. A good example of this is by dividing your cutting food into cube or square. Quadrado siyang ganon. Saan actually yung pagkain or luto ko lang niyo siya nakikita? Kapag ganitong pagka-cut ang ginawa natin. Anong pagkain? Anong kulay? Charlie? Shanghai. Okay, very good. What else? Ano pa? Ano pang ulam? Giniling. Sa Shanghai, sa giniling. Pwede. Parang parehas eh, no? Yes, Ayan? Sa sipo egg. Ano pa? Ano pang ulam? Yung favorite nyo na sa tingin ninyo, ginagamitan natin with the use of these types. Sa menudo. Okay. Ano pa, Sherlyn? Adobo. Okay? Yung mga ham sa carbonara. Okay, next. What about this one? That's it. Okay, getting the accurate measurement of food with the use of a measurement. Or kung wala tayong mga ganitong mga digital na measurement, ano yung alternative na pwede natin gamitin? Alternative na pwede natin gamitin. Yan. Measuring cups. It is used for what? Dry ingredients. Usually, may mga dry ingredients kasi. Ano yung mga dry ingredients na mina-measure natin, siya? Flour. What else? Sugar. Ano pa? Baking powder. Okay? Aside from measuring cups, ano pa? Yung pwede natin. What about the small quantity? Oh, ano yung utensil na ginagamit natin in measuring a small quantity? Ano yung hindi pa natawag? Natawag na? Oh, Jillian. Okay, measuring food. Small quantity, ano nga ulit yung mga mini-measure natin with the small quantity? Vanilla syrup. Sugar. Ano pa? Again? Butter. Okay, pwede din ang salt, ang pepper. Yeah. Okay, next. What about this one? What about this one? Okay, what utensils are we going to use? What utensil are we going to use in sifter? Okay, next, just like what you can see in the picture. Ano yung ginagawa niya? Anong ginagawa niya sa picture? Anong sinisip niya? Why? Bakit kailangan i-sift muna, especially kung flour yung nakikita? What do you think is the reason? Bakit kailangan meron yan? Bakit importante ba yan? Kailangan i-sift muna, hindi pwedeng ilagay na lang? Yes. Okay, to separate the dirt. Aside from that, what else? Yes, Athena?
Para dito po.
Yes, to remove the lumps. What about this one? The next one is, Jackie? Okay, with the use of paring knife, will you give me an example aside from dun sa nakikita niyo sa picture? Yung mga ginagamitan natin with this method, yung pair na sinasabi natin. Jana? Mangga. Specifically, yung ano po? Yung oo nga. Specifically, yung mango. Yung hindi hinog. Yung hindi hinog. What else? Aside from that, apple, mango. What else? Potato. Ano pa? Carrots. Ano pa? With the use of pear in life. Cucumber. Okay, so different fruits and vegetables that we remove the outside covering. Well, with the use, of course, of our pairing knife. What about the next one? What about this one?
Removing the outside covering of fruits and vegetables with the use of finger hand.
Ayun, di ba? Kanina tinanong ko siya, sabi niya mango. Pwede siya sa peel, pwede rin siya sa pear. Depende sa mango, di ba? Kung ripe yung mango, saan siya dapat? Sa peel. Kung hindi, sa pear. At aside from that, ano pa? Ano pa? Yung pwede natin gamitan yan. Banana. Ano pa? Rambutan. Okay, yung mga binabanatan. Lychee. Longgan. Okay, so mostly na mga fruits and vegetables din yung mga ginagamitan natin yan. Aside from that, pwede din naman ang garlic. Diba? Tatanggalan natin siya ng balat. Okay, next. What about this one? Okay, spreading butter in a pan or container. Bakit natin siya ginagawa? Bakit kailangan mag-spread muna tayo ng butter sa pan natin? Para ano? Para hindi dumikit. Okay? Especially kung halimbawa gagawa ka ng kalamay. No? Halimbawa gawa kang kalamay. Pag nagluluto ka, i-brace mo muna yung pan para hindi siya nag-tikit. Okay, the next one is okay, what about this one? Decorating the top portion of food. As you can see, nakikita natin si Chef. Anong ginagawa niya? Decorating the top portion of food. Bakit? Ba't kailangan decorate? Hindi ba pwede lagyan na lang natin sa plate na ganyan? Na? Yes, Ayan? Okay, look more presentable. Nakakaaya-aya yung itsura niya. At the same time, magmumukha siyang, ano, masarap. So, pag nag-prepare niyan kayo ng mga meal natin, mag-garnish kayo. Ano yung ginagamit natin na pang-garnish? Decorating the top portion of food. Yes, Ashley?
Vegetables.
Vegetables like what? Specifically? Broccoli or carrots. What else?
Pork.
Okay, ano pa? Kilala niyo ba si Chef Boy Logro? Hindi niyo nakilala si Chef Boy Logro? Siya yung, pag nag-plating siya ng food after niyang nagluto. Ay, Ayan, alam mo? Alam niya, Ayan. Anong ginagawa niya, Ayan? Ping, 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 ping. Yung final touch niya, ganon. Okay, then the last one is, what about the last one? Okay, this is very important. Bakit? Before and after, dapat lagi tayong nag-wash, especially kung meron tayong mga fruits and vegetables na ginagamit. Even with, pwede siya. This is the pinaka-basic na ginagawa natin handworks. Nakuha? Any questions with regards to our lesson? Are you sure? Okay, so let us have the video. Before that, divide them in time maybe at two groups. Two groups. Dalawang hanay ng grupo. Siguro daw 1, 2, 3 doon. Then 1, 2, 3 dito. For the first group, 1, 2, 3 this line. And then the other group is 1. Okay, so you listen mo na. This is what we call paste a picture activity. Paste a picture activity based on our lesson that we talked a little while ago, I want you to search pictures here. I have a random pictures here. Napipili kayo kung saan nyo sila i-replace. And then, mag-usap-usap pa yung grupo kung sino yung mga pipili. Mag-usap-usap pa yung grupo kung sino yung magdidikit. And then, mag-uusap-usap ang grupo kung sino yung mag-e-explain. Bakit doon didikit? Ako ha? Okay. So, ang representative na pipili dito. Mag-usap-usap ang grupo. 1, 2, 3, those lines. And then 1, 2, 3 sa kabilang line. Punta dito. Usap-usap kung sino kukuha dito. Kung sino yung mag-paste. Sige, you can stand. Para magsama-sama kayo dito. One, two, three dito. One, two, three dito. Okay. Ulitin ko for the instruction. Choose kung sino yung pipili ng mga ingredients dito. Kung sino yung mga mandigit at kung sino ang mag-explain. Based on the lesson presented. It's up to you. Kung gusto nyo isa-isa, or gusto nyo dala-dalawa, kung gusto nyo isa lang ang mag-explain, it's up to you. Kung sino sa tingin ninyo sa group, yung strength nila is by demonstrating or explaining. Then, sino yung mga pipili? Sino yung mga mantitikip? What about this one? Then, it's up to you kung paano nyo i-present. Make it fast, madami kayo sa group. daan sa military school. Last 1 minute. Pwede nga nabawa siya sa prepare. Yun lang. Just like. Okay na? Okay na tayo? Do it quietly. Do it quietly. Okay, ready? Okay, since you are ready now, may I request okay na po ba? Okay, say it properly now. Say it properly now. Let us have the
present or explain these features which are based on the lesson. So, we are Group 1 and I am Francisca Mauricio Olita and I am to explain everything in this picture. Let's start. Here, which you can see is a banana and an orange. You can believe using our hands or handles. And next slide is slice. We can slice it into thin pieces. Pieces are tiny pieces on our plate based on desired shape. We can see pineapple, meat, tomatoes, another meat, and grilled pork. Pear. We have carrots, apples, and potatoes. Meat. Using knives. We have pepper, garlic, and other onions and garlic. It is used for cuts like cube pieces.
Cube, it's a cube. Let me say mint. Let me say mint and what? Shake. Cube. When we say mince, it is divided into five. Okay, what about the next one?
Slice. We have meat. Banana and orange. And this, can you give an example of pear? Raise your hands. And slice. Can you give an example? Now, let's go to the means. Can you give an example? Last one. Can you give an examples of dice? Raise your hands. Okay, that's our explanation of the slice, peel, pear, and dice.
Okay, let us give them class. What about the next group?
Good morning, everyone. Today I will be presenting different hundreds of food preparation. Number one is slice. We have meat. Slice means dividing foods into desired shapes, whether it's thick or thin. Number two, mince. We have garlic, onion, or pepper. Mince is meaning of dividing food into fine pieces. Usually, we are dividing foods in mince when we are sauteing or number three is pear. We have pineapple, carrots, apples, and peas. Usually, we are using paring knives or peelers. Number four, knife is cutting food into cube or square shapes. Number five, we have orange and banana. We are peeling using our hands.
skills, and others. So, in a given other example from the handworks and different handworks in food preparation.
Okay. Yes, that you really understand the lesson. Talagang pasok lahat yung mga ginawa ninyong activity. So, for the evaluation, get 1 portion of sugar and then match column A with column B and write the answer for each number. Okay, get 1 more. And answer this activity. Answers only. Okay, say it properly now. Say it properly. Okay, you have to write your name, yours and yours, and say good name, and answer the following. Again, I ask everyone, sino yung mga nearsighted sa inyo? Nearsighted? Nakikita? Nakikita? Okay, pwede ka lumakad dito at tingnan so that you can see the activity given. Okay, medyo malaki yung mata sa kanina, no? Answer only. Who are still writing? Okay, next, what about number 2? Garnish. Pepper. Okay, letter D. What about number 3? Number 3?
B. Ganun bagay na para.
Okay, D. Water. Container. Number 4. Ayan. Yes, very good. What about number 5? Ash? Okay, next. Number 6. Peggy?
Moving the outside.
Okay, next. Number 7. Number 7.
I. Removing the outside covering of clothes and vegetables.
Okay, next. Number 8. What about number 8? Yeah? Next. What about number 9? Number 9. And number 10. Okay. So, count the number correct. And number 4, the number 2. Okay, pass over the papers. Pass them. Pass them. Okay, ready? Any questions with regard to our lesson? Maybe them lahat? Okay, very good. Got that? Wow, they're perfect. 9. 8. 7. Lower than that. Wala na. Very good. So it's really sense to get the lesson. So for your assignment now, okay, so let's do the assignment. Let's do the assignment. I want you to make a short video. A short video. Just a few seconds or a minute. Doing the different handworks. Just choose 1 or 2 of the different handworks. Choose 1 or 2 of the different handworks and do it at home. Just like for example, magluluto ng dinner mamaya si Mami. Then you have to help kung ano man yung makikita nyo with the use of the different handworks in food preparation. Make a short video, a few seconds or a minute will do. And then send it in our GC. Nakuha po ba? The instructions is clear? Okay, that's all for today.